Go! Right then, hello everybody. I have no idea what I'm going to tell you. It's been busy again this morning, so I want to show you all these goodies and let you know as well. I purchased a Samsung 25 Ultra phone for these videos. I got to say, marvellous phone. And this new little microphone, look at that, but it's a magnet. So rather than putting the pin on, I just grab the magnet and go, but I can put it anywhere I want. All the way down, I can put it on my 5 feet if I wanted to. Anyway, let's talk sense now, is it? No idea what I'm going to tell you. So just come in, Demon, fantastic quality by Pearl, as always. So that's for the customer. We've brought in some more hardware because we're running out of hardware all the time. I will say the Pearl 830 hardware packs, and the 830 hardware is ideal, I personally think, because it's light enough to carry but strong enough to hold all your gear. So we actually like them. Then you go into the 930 and the 10s, but the weight goes up. So they are very popular and we do like them very much. So we've told you we were short on drum heads, so we got stocks come in now, and we got more stocks on the way soon. We got lots of sticks that have just arrived over there, plus them. We sold out of these in-ears. These are great. These are the 4 drivers. I think they're 50 quid on our website. So we sold out of them, so we got more of those coming in. Really good, and everybody's buying them, says they are impressive. And we've got a number of clutches. I think I got those, and I got other clutches somewhere. Over there, look, over there. Let's go around the corner. Let's go around the corner. I hope Bridie's camera work is okay, by the way. So clutches, everyone's always looking for a clutch. So we got the cheaper ones, and we got the luxury ones, plus the Pearl ones that click in as well. So we made sure we've topped up with them. I'm going to be doing some demonstrations on the Ramrod products. Now, if you look in there, there's one size foam. And then if you look in there, it's a different size foam and a different style. So you can use the same stick for 2 applications. And you can actually feel the difference in there. And they've coloured them, so you don't end up doing the wrong way round like I would always do, because I'm dull. So look at that, great, aren't they? They're really, really nice. So that's that one. So we got those, we got more drum heads here again. We brought more hardware bags in from Pearl. These are 38-inch, these are the super popular ones. They always sell because they got the wheels, they got the skids on them, they got the handle. And what's nice, they've got the handle at the very bottom. So when you walk with this. Let me do you a demonstration. Look, you do there, not this handles down there and it's pulling on you. So you go like that and then you say, bring out your dead. Bring out your dead. And if you want a more posher one, these are seriously practical, but if you want a more posher one, we've also got these, which is the bomb sleigh version from Ahead. So how's that? That's lovely, isn't it? Let's have a quick look. We might as well make this a slightly longer video. As you can see, because our hardware is depleted, so we're bringing in new hardware packs by others as well, some other versions. We've got this, we haven't put it on the website yet, we did promise we would, but there was a little technical hitch on the floor tom legs. So we sorted that out with Sona, and then that'll go on the website. So it's a little gift for somebody there, a nice little bargain. Now we've got a little demonstration of 2. I'll explain this on another day, but I took the heads off just to show inside these 2 different types of drums. I'll explain that. It's a secret, I won't tell you yet. And that was a popular little video. Everybody loves this. What a stunning little, beautiful little kit. And by the way, I tapped it yesterday. If you stay by there, we got these. Wow, look at that. These are the easy sticks where you put your sticks in your pods like that. And then you put your pods in your seat there, and then away to go. It's cool, isn't it? So that's them. But I just showed you this yesterday. I wonder if it's... Oh, I still got my mic, so you're going to hear it from this end. It's lovely, isn't it? Isn't it, Bride? Isn't that lovely in here? But I tapped on that, and some are saying, ooh, that's a lovely snare sound. So that is, if I can just pop that out gently, that is the Pearl. There's a bit of weight to it. That's the Pearl, what do you call it? Do you remember what we call it? You lot know better than I do. Where's the badge gone? There it is, look at that. The new Pearl Primal. That's the one. Do you know, one day I might buy myself a brain, and that would be good. So anyway, the new Primal snares in brass and copper. It's the price tag again. Look at them, $375 for a brass snare, and they seriously sound super duper. You can wind these up so that they are really sharp. Super sharp and poppy. Really nice snare, but the quality is great. And I gotta say, once more, I've said this in the past, Pearl Drums, in the world of drumming, is really at the very, very, very top of the tree in the way they are as a company, both in the professional attitude of servicing the shops, servicing customers, innovations, working hard, and quality for price. They are brilliant. We actually love working with Pearl Drums because they're so easy to work with. They're really nice peoples as well. So a quick look down there. The snare wall needs doing. It needs doing again. And in 5, as I've mentioned before, as I've mentioned before, about 52 students last week. We got more inquiries now. So we may be pushing, hopefully after the summer, into sort of 60 per week coming through the doors. And so it means we've got to keep on improving because we keep disappearing with goods. And that one went today, so these went yesterday, I think. So we got to keep on topping up. One final thing, Cariad Drums, who we like very much as well, are sending 1 million boxes. And we're hoping, should have been here Tuesday, hoping tomorrow, Friday, 1 million boxes. So we've got to find a place where 1 million boxes will fit. We'll let you know, some special orders in there as well. So there you are. Pop in, come and play drums in our room. Pop in and come and see us, and we'll show you all the stuff that's got to go online. We've got loads to do. Tons of work for Bridie, who's on that side of the camera today. And Bridie does all of the website photography and all the rest of it. She works hard. She's like, drrr. Well, I just sit and cruise and lie down on the sofa all day. Not. Right, take care all. I got work to do. It's, yeah, there you are. I had too many beans this morning. Ciao.